How to buy Tinder Gold. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on 1 to Step. If you're also trying to subscribe to the Gold or the premium version of Tinder, let me show you the process of doing it. Open up tinder.com or open up the app of Tinder on your phone. And once you open up Tinder, just click on your profile icon and you can see all of the premium versions that you can use. There are options such as Platinum, Gold, and Tinder Plus. To buy the Gold option, click on Tinder Gold and you can see three plans: the 1 month plan, 6 month, and the 12-month plan. Along with that, you can also see all of the other benefits that you'll get with Tinder Gold. Pick your option and then click on checkout. In the next section, you'll need to add in your card details. So type in your name, card number, expiration date, and the CVC, and then click on buy now. And you'll successfully purchase the Tinder Gold. And you'll have all of the benefits which were mentioned. So that was the quick process on how to buy Tinder Gold. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.